And right now, the Supreme Court is preparing to hear former President Donald Trump's appeal of the Colorado ruling that declared him ineligible to run for the presidency.
So Colorado Supreme Court kicked Trump off their ballot after ruling that he did engage in the insurrection on January 6th. John Hopperstad tracking this morning's hearing. So, John, what do we know this morning?
Guys, this is most likely the biggest Supreme Court decision around a presidential race since the 2000 election that ultimately went to George W. Bush. We got some live pictures to show you outside the Supreme Court right now. You can see all the media gathering there. There are also anti-Trump protesters with signs that say "Remove Trump." There's also some pro-Trump folks there to support the former president as well. This all stems from Colorado Supreme Court kicking Trump off the ballot after ruling he did engage in the insurrection back on January 6th. 14th Amendment prevents insurrectionists from holding federal office. But the question is whether it applies specifically to the president and his conduct while in office.
I think that our U.S. Constitution, which is our democracy, is at stake. We either abide by the terms of the Constitution or we do not. And I think that's what the justices will have to decide.
Now, Trump has been removed from the ballot in Colorado and Maine. Some legal analysts believe that the high court will rule in Trump's favor, reasoning that it's unlikely to allow a single state to have sweeping influence over a national election.
And I think the Supreme Court is going to be very cautious. They are going to try to achieve unanimity. I don't think it's out of the question you actually get a unanimous decision in former President Trump's favor. But the idea that the Supreme Court would kick him off the ballot and uphold what Colorado has done, I just don't see that happening.
Supreme Court likely to move quickly on this with a decision expected in the coming weeks. But first, they will hear arguments from both sides of this case. We're expecting that to begin soon as the crowds continue to gather there outside the Supreme Court. Guys.